Nelson Chamisa received a farm in Marondera. Well, everybody need land, isn't it? But don't you think it was too early for him to receive land from ZANU-PF when millions of people, they were still hoping that he would be the next president? And even worse, his wife received another farm in Chegutu. And the ZANU-PF government, they gave Yeman, the wife of Nelson Chamisa, and she's making a very, very successful chicken business. One family. So we used to say bad things about ZANU-PF, that these guys are so bad. One man can take 21 farms, 40 farms. One man can take other white men's big businesses. One man can take all these mining businesses, the industry, the shops, the banks. They can even allot to the Reserve Bank and nothing happened to them. I did not know that our own champions, they were going to be shareholders, as far as to all the other members of opposition who are opposition members in parliament. They received big cash, big man. And it has become a tradition whereby opposition leaders, they work hand in hand with the ZANU-PF, especially when it comes to abusing and misusing taxpayers' money. What I'm saying is correct. Somebody is asking me, do you have proof of what you're saying? My brother, I'm not here to vomit shit. What would it profit me to say Chamisa received a farm in Marondera if he never received a farm? Would it profit me? Rather, it would make my name bad. I wouldn't do that. Brother, does common sense tell you that I'm so stupid, so confused, so uncivilized? I'm so dumb. I am that brute, that daredevil who would go to any lengths to accuse the wife of Nelson Chamisa that he received a farm in Chegutu just to do propaganda, just to do blackmailing. I wouldn't do that. I'm not ZANU-PF. I don't work with the propaganda. It might be the fact that you yourself, you are one of those guys who were used to the politics of propaganda, whereby BT would come around you and Chamisa, and they would say, we spoke with Trump, he said, I'll give you 15 billion, and they would come and people would applaud, would make noise, would trumpet up, would say good things, and only to go to Britain, and Joe Sacco would ask him, brother, tell us more about, did you meet Trump? And would say, I don't know it. People said, and they would play a video of him telling thousands of Zimbabweans that I meet Trump, and would look stupid. I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't do that. I also care about my reputation. I also care about my brand.